The next macro we'll talk about here is the offset surface. This macro command is used to create a new surface as an offset to another surface. The command doesn't rebuild the surface triangles, it just simply makes a copy of it and shifts it up or down on the z-axis. You can also just leave the delta elevation at 0 and it makes a copy of that existing surface or other surface. So in this case I have an existing surface and I want to lower it maybe to represent a topsoil stripping or some other purpose. So if I use the offset surface macro, select the surface that I want to offset, I'll give it a name, we'll call it lower surface, and we will lower it down a -1 foot. So if we did 1 foot as a positive value, it would raise it up. So I'm just going to click OK, and that lowers and creates another surface here. If I come over to surfaces and I turn on the lower surface, we'll click OK. Now you can see that I have that surface, it's a copy of it, and it's been lowered down 1 unit, in this case 1 foot.